How you doing? Wolf Cry Beard Company here. Koi's the name. So I am going to do a little tutorial on how I get my beard ready for the world and the ultimate treatment system, which contains our beard oil and our beard balm. So this is the size that we sell. This is 15 milliliter bottle, and here's our sample size. So you can tell there's a major difference. Right here I got wolf's blood matching up with wolf's blood. And this is the trick with these bottles. Just be patient. It just starts coming out. Trick is you don't want a whole bunch. You want about a dime size, quarter size amount. Just get it real nice, deep penetrating in the beard when it's damp. Oh, it smells so damn good. Just want to really work it in, and I grab my brush. I get it in the hair follicles. Then I grab the balm. About that much will suffice. Rub your hands together where it's just an oil. Wash my hands with pine tar soap. Dry off the hands. And the last but not least, mustache wax. We currently are not making mustache wax, but I'm venturing to say we will be making it in the future. But I get a lot of questions, what mustache wax do I use? I use Badger mustache wax. It does the job. It's got pretty good hold. Do I think there's better ones on the market? Yeah. But I picked this up at a store near my house, so I use it. Start inwards. There we go. That is how you become a proud member of Wolf Cry Beard Company. Remember, check us out in the description box. You can go straight to our website. You can order our beard oil. Our beard oil for 15 milliliters is $12. We have beard balm, and that is $16 for the little one. For the 4-ounce one, we got $30. Always from Wolf Cry Beard Company. This is Coy. Remember, fellas, keep bearding on.